Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to another video. As you can see from what I'm wearing already, it is so damn cold. I just cannot take so much of cold. I just got back here like last week from India, and I literally transitioned from like 30 degrees Celsius to literally -3 degrees Celsius. And also next week is going to be worse because the temperature is going to go down to almost like -15 17 degrees Celsius next week. There's going to be a winter storm tomorrow, and also there is some snowfall which is predicted tomorrow. So I'm kind of excited for it, but it's gonna be super cold. Also, I just love wearing such furry clothes every time whenever I'm home because it just keeps you so warm and cozy, especially when the temperature is so bad. It's gonna be my first time filming any such winter videos and realistically showcase how life looks like during winters, and I'm so excited about it. So without further delay, let's get into the video. I'm starting my morning with some hot coffee today. I have some coffee beans over here, and the coffee beans that I'm using lately are these ones from Starbucks, which is their winter organic blend. Trust me when I say this, but I was never ever a coffee person, but sipping on some coffee, not sure if you can see it, while enjoying the cold weather outside.
A few moments later.
Finally heading out for some grocery shopping in winter is literally a big task because you got to wear so many layers and then go out for grocery shopping, but you got to do what you got to do. So yeah, that's the plan. We have some strawberries, grapes, bananas, blueberries and bell peppers in Costco right now, and I have shopped for all the healthy things like fruits and veggies because 2025 is gonna be all about prioritizing health. I'm in Target right now, and they have Valentine's Day collection over here in crockery, in home decor and every single thing. And trust me, I'm literally obsessed looking at all the stuff that they have. They have so many different types of mugs, especially for Valentine's. They have such cute throws and Valentine themed pillows as well. This literally makes me feel that I should buy everything that they have. So I bought few things from Target, and I'll be doing a haul once I reach home.
The next day.
Okay, so I got back home extremely late yesterday night, but as promised, I'm gonna do a quick Target haul. I have everything that I got from Target right over here, and let me go ahead and quickly show you what all things I got. The first thing I got is this very cute heart-shaped pink pillow. Just look at this way the fur feels on this pillow. I'm obsessed with it. Look at this mug. It just looks like any other normal mug, but what's really cute is the heart that it has inside it. I just found this so damn cute and unique, and I'm like, I need to have one of these. So definitely gonna be changing my coffee slash chai mug for the next few days. Next are these two cute little heart-shaped serving bowls, and this can be used for so many different ways, and yeah, definitely something that I'm going to be using more in the kitchen. Next two things are my absolute favorite, and the first one I have is this fondue set. It is so damn cute, and it has like 5 pieces in this fondue set. So one is this main thing that they have, and then 4 forks, and also the forks are like heart shaped, if you can see. I haven't really opened this one yet because I just got this yesterday. Cannot wait to do like a fondue night, either with cheese or chocolate, and I'm sure it's gonna be perfect for the winter weather. Okay, and the last one I have is this stand. Just look at it. The color of it is something that absolutely caught my eyes, and I'm like, I need one of these in my kitchen. So basically this is just like a crockery piece or a stand, like you can keep cookies and chocolates and brownies and whatnot. But yeah, something which is so aesthetic, so elegant, and just love the color.
A few moments later.
The temperature outside right now is -1 degree, and it has been snowing since the past 2 hours, and I'm finally gonna go outside right now to experience the snowfall. It's dark already, so I'm all set. I'm literally wearing 4 layers inside this one. So first is the thermal layer, then I'm wearing a fleece, after which I'm wearing more like a hoodie, and then a top coat on that. Of course, on top of this I'm gonna be wearing my puffer jacket as well. Always better to layer up than regret. Also carrying along my beanie, and then the face cover thing, of course, because the winds are super strong. Definitely cannot do without the hand gloves, all-time favorite scarf, and the long woolen socks, of course, because cannot take any chance because the winds are so strong. It's been snowing and I want to experience it, but at the same time also don't want to fall sick. Oh my god, this feels like I'm in some winter wonderland, and oh my god, it is so different than how it usually looks. This is literally the real snowstorm that I'm experiencing right now, and honestly I haven't ever experienced this before. It's crazy and magical at the same time. Red nose after the snowstorm.
The next day.
It's yet another day, actually yet another cold day. It's 2 degrees right now, which is not very cold compared to how last few couple of days were. I have got some real guts today because I'm drinking iced latte in such a cold weather. I don't know, I was craving to drink this since a very long time. Like, I have been drinking only hot coffees lately, but I was like, I need some iced coffee today. So the plan today is just to go around few places here in Boston and then do a little bit of shopping. I'm in Boston Commons right now, and trust me, this place doesn't look the same as it would in any other season. As the sun is setting and as it's getting like little darker, the weather is getting like even colder. I had to like get my hand gloves on, and yeah, that's what Boston winter looks like. always, I'm not able to find any clothes again. I just found these two sweaters that I'll show you, but other than that, nothing at all. I'm back in the home decor and the crockery section, but this time I literally need to control myself before buying it because I just bought a lot of things from Target that you just saw. This is option number 1. It's just a very simple white sweatshirt, but I'm not sure if I want this, honestly. This is the other one. It's again white, but also I don't like the fit of it at all, so gonna be skipping on both of these. Clearly today was an unsuccessful shopping day.
Many unbearable hours later.
Okay guys, it's been 2 days since I last filmed, and since then my health has been acting up so badly, and I guess it's because of the way I went out in the snowstorm, and after that I have been like all over the place, and today finally after 2 days I feel better and at a good place. So winter definitely is something that nobody should be taking lightly for sure, because I did this mistake and I'm never gonna do that again. No matter how exciting the snowstorm looks, I'm never gonna be going back to it because of my health and what happened after it. Also, overall during winter, like, everyone should be taking more care. Like, I would always drink warm water throughout the day no matter what. I would also moisturize my skin a lot because dry skin is something that tends to happen during winter. And also the most important thing during winters is to like layer up. No matter what, I would like always layer up to the maximum possible. Literally wear the thermal, the fleece, the sweatshirt, the overcoat jacket, every single thing. Like, I would never compromise on layering up because it's always better to layer up than to feel cold. So yeah, these are some of my tricks and hacks that I always follow during winters. I'm gonna be ending this video right over here, so I really hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me. If you did, then you know the drill. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you are new here or if you haven't already. Lastly, stay happy, be kind and keep spreading love, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.